Today, we're going to take a look inside the book at Bible 2, Truths for Life. Bible 2 reviews the truths learned in Bible 1 and continues on with 52 new truths for your student, revolving around baptism, the Lord's Supper, and more. Your textbook kit will include a teacher's edition, a student activity manual, as well as tests and test answer keys. Let's take a look inside your teacher's edition. In your teacher's edition, you will have a table of contents listing the different units. We have God, God Works, the Fall, Christ, Salvation, Christian Living, and End Times. You also have notes pointing out the different teacher edition features to help you as you teach your student. We have memory verses, terms, materials needed for lessons, different resources, summaries, biblical worldview shaping, and much more. At the beginning of each unit, you will have a lesson plan overview. It will list the different objectives, resources, and assessments needed for that lesson. Let's take a look at Lesson 88. In your teacher's edition, you will see a copy of the same pages from your student's activity manual. On the side, we have objectives, biblical worldview shaping, resources and materials needed, and the memory verse to go along with the lesson. Under Instruct, you have notes to guide you with questions and how to teach the lesson to your student. Any activity manual answers needed you will find marked in red in your teacher's edition. In the back of your teacher's edition, you will have a glossary, different songs for the lessons, Bible truths learned, as well as different instructional aids needed for the lessons. In your student activity manual, you will have a table of contents in the beginning listing the different units. The beginning of each unit will have the unit name as well as the memory verse for that unit. There are reviews as well as multiple choice questions. The answers for these questions will be found in your teacher edition. Some of the different features that you will notice in your activity manual are Your Turn, Biblical Worldview, and Truth Talk. These features help with things such as direct instruction or connecting Bible truth with classroom activities. In the back of your student activity manual, there is a list of Bible truths that were learned in Bible 1. There is also a glossary of terms. Your kit will include 8 assessments, as well as answer keys. Thank you for taking a look with me inside of Bible 2, Truths for Life. I hope you and your student are blessed by this course. Happy learning!